traditional cable distribution can become complicated as projects grow. In factories, commercial buildings, and data centers, adding new equipment often means more cable runs, more installation work, and less room for future expansion. That is why more modern facilities are turning to busbar systems for power distribution. Compared with large bundles of traditional cables, busbar systems create a cleaner and more organized layout. They also help optimize installation space in electrical rooms and industrial facilities. Their modular design makes expansion and reconfiguration much easier when load requirements change. For projects that value flexibility, maintenance access, and long-term efficiency, this is a major advantage. Once a busbar system is selected, the next key decision is material, copper or aluminum. Copper is often chosen when maximum conductivity and compact conductor sizing are priorities. Aluminum offers a strong cost-performance advantage and helps reduce handling and installation burden. With proper conductor sizing, aluminum can meet current carrying requirements in many applications. The right choice depends on load, space, budget, and the future expansion plan of the project. A good busbar design is not about choosing the most expensive option. It is about choosing the most suitable solution. Share your drawings or load requirements with us to discuss the right busbar solution for your project.